The UB Foundation scholarships are currently open for applications. So there are two types of scholarships. There's the UB Foundation Graduate Scholarship and the Northern Trust Scholarship. So we're going to look at the criteria. The criteria is and the requirements are both for the two scholarships. The only difference is that there are two different application forms. So there is the application form for the UB Foundation and the Northern Trust Scholarship. So this is how I found out. So you see that below here there are two different forms. There's one for the UB Foundation Graduate Scholarship Application Form and the Northern Trust Scholarship Form. So, what I'm not sure about is that are you, are you able to apply for both scholarships, or you have to select one scholarship to apply for? It would be best to find out first before you submit your application. Check whether you can apply for both scholarships or you have to select one to apply for. There's a contact information here, send the email. Alternatively, you can go to the University of Botswana and find out about the two scholarships. I think that will be important. If you're able to apply for both, then apply for both so that you can stand a better chance of being selected. Here's the eligibility criteria. You should be the first in the family to acquire an undergraduate degree. This is for the Northern Trust Scholarship. And remember, this is a master's scholarship. So you should have an undergraduate degree. Your GPA, cumulative GPA, should be 3.6 or above. Citizens of Botswana, this scholarship is only for you if you are from Botswana, you're a citizen of Botswana and you want to study at the University of Botswana for your master's. You need to have working experience of 3 years or less. 3 years or less. So if you have 1 year experience, 2 year experience, you qualify for the scholarship. You need admission, full-time admission. This is a scholarship to study full-time, not part-time. You need a full-time admission, which means you have to apply and get admission. Your undergraduate degree should not be beyond 2020. So it should be a recent undergraduate degree. Demonstrate academic excellence and continue formal education. I believe this will be demonstrated in your transcript. Have good leadership qualities and demonstrate involvement in community development and volunteerism. Vulnerable children, candidates from disadvantaged backgrounds, you are encouraged to apply. Here are the other requirements. So you need to submit your certificates and transcripts, admission letter from the University of Botswana, your CV, police clearance. So you need to go and do a police clearance and 3 references. Award restrictions is not renewable once of benefit, so you only get the scholarship once. If you are interested in applying for the scholarship, then you should have been admitted at the University of Botswana, then you can download the application forms below, like I mentioned, but you need to understand whether you can apply for both or one of them. The closing deadline is the 31st of July 2024 for both scholarships. Remember to book an application review. I'll have a look at your application form and documents before you submit. You can book through the link in the video description. I've also put the official link to the scholarship in the video description, so you can use that link to access this page that I'm currently explaining to you. All the best with your application.